so here we have a little Trane XR that is very overgrown. Take a look at this. There's the unit right there, and then there's this bush that's like growing onto this thing. Like, I can't even get to the Trane logo. What is this? And I'm worried this might be like poison ivy or something, but yeah, here's this thing. Light scroll compressor. 2019, 2.5 ton. That has been running. I think this is just a straight cold unit. I don't know. You're gonna have to tell me if this thing is or not. Check the Azure. No, probably doesn't. It's up there. Anyways, yeah, here it is. I had to get it from this angle since it's kind of in there. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.